Number 1. 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1100 Liberty Edition, $7,500, New Windsor, New York. The 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1100 Liberty Edition is a rare model that celebrates Harley's long-standing heritage with distinctive styling and classic Evolution-era performance. Original examples remain highly desirable among collectors thanks to their limited production, dependable V-twin engine, and timeless American character. According to the seller, this Liberty Edition is all original, has just 5,152 miles, and has been garage-kept throughout its life. A clean title and excellent overall condition further enhance its appeal. For collectors seeking a well-preserved vintage Harley with low mileage, this Sportster is an outstanding opportunity. Number 2. 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120, $5,500, York, Pennsylvania. The 1971 Triumph Bonneville T120 is one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles, admired for its responsive 650cc parallel twin engine and timeless styling. Classic Bonnevilles continue to attract enthusiasts around the world for their rich heritage, enjoyable performance, and unmistakable British character. The seller offers this matching-era 650cc twin with a manual transmission and a clean title. With just under 28,000 miles, it presents a solid foundation for riders or collectors who appreciate vintage British motorcycles. For anyone looking to own a legendary Triumph, this Bonneville is a classic choice. Number 3. 1985 Honda GL 1200 Goldwing, $2,500, Reiner, Virginia. The 1985 Honda GL 1200 Goldwing continued Honda's tradition of building smooth, reliable touring motorcycles with outstanding long-distance comfort. Its powerful flat-four engine and reputation for durability have made the GL 1200 a favorite among touring enthusiasts for decades. This one-owner example has accumulated 86,000 miles and features a replaced stator along with a brand-new rear tire. The seller notes that the sidecar shown is no longer included, while the motorcycle carries a clean title. For buyers seeking an affordable vintage touring bike, this Goldwing offers proven reliability and value. Number 4. 1964 BSA Lightning Rocket, $3,900, Hudson, New York. The 1964 BSA Lightning Rocket combines classic British styling with the lively performance of its 650cc parallel twin engine. BSA motorcycles from this era remain popular among vintage enthusiasts for their mechanical simplicity, distinctive character, and important place in British motorcycling history. The seller reports numerous mechanical updates, including a rebuilt gearbox, rebuilt carburetors, electronic ignition conversion, new rear shocks, and a new headlight. With good compression, smooth shifting, a clean title, and a Haynes manual included, this Lightning Rocket is ready for its next adventure. For riders looking for a well-maintained British classic, this BSA is a very appealing option. Number 5. 1983 Suzuki GS 450E, $2,400, Hendersonville, North Carolina. The 1983 Suzuki GS 450E is a lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle known for its reliability, balanced handling, and strong potential for performance upgrades. Its simple design has made it a favorite among enthusiasts who enjoy customizing classic Japanese motorcycles. This extensively modified example features a 541cc overbore engine, upgraded cylinder head, oversized valves, and additional performance improvements completed by respected builder Bob Carpenter. After many years in storage, the seller restored the bike to running condition and also includes a Vance & Hines exhaust. For buyers seeking a unique vintage Suzuki with impressive custom engineering, this GS 450E stands apart. Number 6. 1973 BMW R60/5, $4,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1973 BMW R60/5 is a classic airhead that helped establish BMW's reputation for dependable engineering and comfortable long-distance riding. Its smooth boxer twin, timeless styling, and durable construction continue to make the R60/5 a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. The seller offers this two-cylinder motorcycle with a manual transmission and a clean title. Finished in a greenish-silver color, it has just under 46,000 miles listed as exempt on the title. For buyers looking for a well-preserved vintage BMW, this R60/5 is a solid and appealing choice. Number 7. 1975 Yamaha XS650, $4,150, Whitestone, Virginia. The 1975 Yamaha XS650 is one of Japan's most celebrated parallel twins, admired for blending classic British-inspired styling with dependable Japanese engineering. Its strong aftermarket support and timeless design have made it a favorite platform for both restoration and tasteful custom builds. This street-legal example is described as being in excellent condition and features custom gold and black paint, new Shinko tires, a new clutch, fresh ignition components, custom mufflers, upgraded rear shocks, and a new battery. With its clean title and thoughtful upgrades, this XS650 offers a great mix of classic style and everyday enjoyment. Number 8. 1969 Triumph TR6, $5,400, Glenside, Pennsylvania. The 1969 Triumph TR6 is a legendary British twin known for its lightweight feel, responsive performance, and unmistakable vintage character. Custom-built examples remain highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate handcrafted details while preserving the spirit of classic Triumph motorcycles. According to the seller, this professionally built resto mod features electronic ignition, Mikuni carburetors, and complete build documentation. With only 3,000 miles since completion and multiple show awards, it is also described as an excellent rider. For anyone seeking a unique custom Triumph, this TR6 is an impressive example. Number 9. 1982 Suzuki GS650E, $1,995, York, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Suzuki GS650E is a versatile four-cylinder motorcycle that earned a reputation for dependable performance and comfortable everyday riding. Its balanced handling and reliable engine continue to make it a popular choice among fans of classic Japanese motorcycles. The seller offers this blue 650cc motorcycle with a manual transmission, clean title, and just under 49,000 miles. Its straightforward presentation makes it an appealing option for riders seeking a practical vintage machine. For buyers looking for an affordable classic Suzuki, this GS650E is well worth considering. Number 10. 1985 BMW R80 Monolever, $5,900, Willis Wharf, Virginia. The 1985 BMW R80 Monolever combines BMW's dependable air-cooled boxer engine with the improved handling of the single-sided monolever rear suspension. These motorcycles are well regarded for their smooth performance, touring comfort, and long-lasting reliability. The seller describes this R80 as exceptionally clean and well-maintained, with upgrades including a Wilbur's rear shock, solo seat, and dual front disc brakes. Recent maintenance and useful accessories such as a tank bag, carburetor balancer, service manual, and spare parts are also included. For enthusiasts seeking a well-cared-for vintage BMW, this R80 monolever is an excellent choice. Number 11. 1982 Kawasaki GPZ 550, $2,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Kawasaki GPZ 550 helped define the middleweight sport bike segment with its responsive performance, agile handling, and reliable four-cylinder engine. Even today, the GPZ series remains popular among enthusiasts who appreciate classic Japanese performance motorcycles. The seller describes this 550cc motorcycle as a non-running project that has been sitting for many years and is being sold as is. It carries an R title and shows just over 22,000 miles on the odometer. For buyers looking to restore a vintage Kawasaki sport bike, this GPZ 550 offers a worthwhile project. Number 12. 1974 BMW R90S, $6,900, Riegelsville, Pennsylvania. The 1974 BMW R90S is one of the most iconic sport motorcycles ever produced by BMW, celebrated for its performance, distinctive styling, and lasting influence on the brand's heritage. Well-maintained examples remain highly sought after by collectors and vintage touring enthusiasts alike. According to the seller, this one-owner motorcycle received a comprehensive mechanical overhaul about 500 miles ago, including engine rebuilding, carburetor service, and numerous performance upgrades. A clean Pennsylvania title, matching numbers, BMW hard bags, and ready-to-ride condition make this R90S an exceptional offering. For enthusiasts seeking a beautifully maintained airhead, this classic BMW is a standout choice. Number 13. 1986 Yamaha XJ700 Maxim, $2,600, Raleigh, North Carolina. The 1986 Yamaha XJ700 Maxim is a unique cruiser introduced during the mid-1980s and is remembered for its smooth inline-four engine and comfortable riding character. Its limited production has made surviving original examples increasingly appealing to collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. The seller reports that the bike runs great, delivers excellent fuel economy, and remains largely original aside from upgraded braided front brake lines. Rebuilt carburetors, extra tailbags, and additional spare parts add even more value to the package. For buyers looking for a distinctive and uncommon Yamaha, this XJ700 Maxim is an attractive find. Number 14. 1956 Triumph Thunderbird, $6,000, North Greece, New York. The 1956 Triumph Thunderbird is a true British classic, admired for its strong parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and important place in motorcycle history. Carefully restored examples continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate traditional craftsmanship and authentic vintage character. The seller explains that this motorcycle underwent a comprehensive restoration, including engine work, rebuilt magneto, restored wheels, refreshed transmission, powder-coated frame, and many factory-correct components. A clean title completes this well-documented restoration effort. For anyone searching for a beautifully revived classic Triumph, this Thunderbird is a rewarding opportunity. Number 15. 1982 Honda Goldwing Aspencade, $895, York, Pennsylvania. The 1982 Honda Goldwing Aspencade was designed to deliver outstanding comfort, smooth performance, and dependable long-distance touring. Early Goldwings remain respected for their durable engineering and continue to be popular restoration candidates among vintage Honda enthusiasts. This 1,100cc Aspencade is being sold as a non-running project after sitting for many years and is offered as is with a clean title. Showing just over 95,000 miles, it provides a solid foundation for someone ready to bring a classic touring motorcycle back to life. For buyers seeking an affordable Goldwing restoration project, this one is worth a closer look.